Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. We done made it to the spot, man. Got my boy out here. You ready, my boy?
Yes, sir. I'm in there.
Yes, sir. Yeah, no. Like, share, subscribe, and we gonna share out what we doing and how we doing it. You heard? Let's go. All right, y'all. This little crab right here. Pop it straight down. Oh, missed him, y'all.
Boy, if your name was Speck.
Yeah, he hit one. All right, y'all. So, like I said, we're using these.
Oh, my boy.
No, you good, bro. You good. Oh, straight down. Right there. Oh, damn. Let's go back. Let's go back again. Biting quick. Oh. There you go. Hey, I can't control the bite, y'all, but I can control the fight. Then. Release.
Oh,
Missed him.
that was a nice one.
That was the one you've been looking for, huh?
I'm gonna get back. I'm gonna get my get back.
All right.
Yeah. Let's switch spots. They started to act up.
Damn. Damn.
The most I got was 40 pounds.
40?
Yep. Get them on.
Camera shot, man.
Yeah. Picked off.
I did.
Come on, hit him.
There you go. Oh man. Yes, sir. Keep a sheeper, baby. Let's go. Open that cooler for me, my boy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Man, like he was angry. That my get back right there.
You thought he was a man, huh? Hey, you can't control the bite, but you can control the fight, you heard? Gonna get a release on that dead boy. That's some circle hooks. Hit him with a circle, but he can't get it off, y'all. Oh, okay, he got it off. Release. Yes, sir. Good job, my boy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What I told you.
I'll get back.
Man, what I told you, bro.
Yes, thanks, that
Big
man right there. Put me right on him.
Big boys, man. Show him, man. Show him how big that boy is, dog.
Hold on. Let me work. Let me work.
Man, I don't see my boy, man.
That hook set.
Ooh. Yes, sir. Right in the corner.
Look at that hook set.
That boy like them circle hooks.
Love them, bitch. Can't get better than that, baby.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We working it. We putting that work on them, y'all. We just out here doing our thing. Chicken wing on the string. Get it out of there. Get it out of there. Yeah, you see, yeah. Hey, but don't need a ruler. You going straight in the cooler. Let's go. You tried it. You tried it, didn't you?
When I tell you a flake of a crab down there, bitch. A flake.
Oh, I'm hooked up too.
You got one?
Oh.
Let's see.
Yeah, I'm hooked up. Up. I'm in your butt, bye.
Wait.
There you go. So yeah, y'all see it. We getting them.
Come on, baby.
Look good. Just like that. Oh. That boy got too much circle.
Too much, sir.
Oh, there you go.
That's all, little one?
It's right behind you.
Yes, sir.
You going back for me?
Yes, sir.
Get a release on that boy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Please. Appreciate you, my boy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, y'all, so check it out, man. I'm using this right here from Blackfin, man. It's a little fin. It's called a little fin, made from Blackfin. Just dropping it straight down right here. It's good for being around docks and stuff. Windy day. That boy done hit a no.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I did it again.
Hey, what the government told you, bro?
That I'm allowed 100 pounds of this white meat right here.
So we meat. Hey, we on the meat haul today. We meat shopping today for sure.
100 pounds, baby.
Yes, sir.
The government said I'm allowed 100 pounds a day.
100 pounds
a day.
Let's fill up the cooler. Oh, it ain't hit the bottom. It sounded good. Now, oh, y'all want to see? That's what we got so far. Let's get some more, bro.
We on it.
No, that's what you came out here for?
Bro, I don't understand it.
Hey, that's Nemo.
How'd I get in his mouth? They told him not to touch the butt.
Don't touch the butt. And he touched the butt.
This is what he gets when he touch butts.
Release. Booty man. Hey y'all, so check out my boy Bait real quick, man.
We running short.
Yeah.
Man. So what I did was I gathered up whatever was down there, and then I found the arm and just threw the arm in it, so now it looked like a crab, man.
Yeah.
Watch what I'm gonna get.
All right. Go get that boy, man. Oh yeah, they ready back there, huh?
Watch this. Look, you ain't got my glasses on.
What happened, Where? What you knew?
Yes, sir.
What you knew? You knew what?
With crumbs, baby. Took him up out of there. You almost had me. You almost had me.
Bro, you funny, man. I said I got him up out of there. I knew it, huh? Yeah, man.
Hell yeah.
They out here, man. Ah, got him, y'all. Ha. Got him. Man, what I told you about that barnacle, bro? Man, what I told you about that barnacle, bro? Come on, man.
God dang, that barnacle. Look.
Still on there. Still on there.
Boy.
Barnacle Chronicles, bro.
Boy. You knew he was down there eating.
Careful, we gotta know crabs. Crabs what?
What crab? He was down there eating it.
Crabs was just extra.
Yeah.
You feel me?
He was eating it up, man.
Yeah, look at the swirl on his back. Up on this on his back of his tail right there, he got a swirl.
Oh.
You see that? Got a little funkiness going on right there. That look cool though.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's over for him.
Yes,
Throw him
sir.
in the cooler and tell him to chill out.
Chill out, my guy.
Yeah, let's go. Get him up out of there.
Oh, yeah. Come on, chill out. Help you out here.
Help him out real quick, my guy. Help him out real quick. Oh yeah.
Little guy.
Little dude. It's all good though, man. I'm saying though, my boy, you had a good time though?
Y'all having a great time.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you for having me out here. I appreciate you.
Yes,
If it's
sir.
working on the way back, he said,
All right, y'all, man. Hey, up. All right, y'all. I appreciate y'all watching, man. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Hit the bell, man. Hold on for the ride. I'll show y'all everything we got when we get to the boat ramp. You heard? Let's go.
Kato, you way too dope, kid.
right, y'all. We done made it back to the boat ramp, man. Show y'all everything we got on sand, though, my boy. You had a good time?
Yes, sir. Great time. Great time.
Okay. Well, hey, start pulling them out. Let's show them what we got.
Yes, sir.
Y'all ready to start the count? Let's go. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Getting that spread. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, I'm saying, was it worth the trip?
That was definitely worth the trip.
I told you, my boy.
Definitely.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Back again for sure.
Yes, sir. Hey, man, y'all see it, man. Listen, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, hit the bell, show love, be nice to people.
Yes, sir.
And y'all already know.
Peace out, people.
Hey, stop calling my phone. I'm fishing.
I'm fishing.
Let's go.